A strange thing happens when people say they love you, but don't treat you like someone worthy of respect. You start shrinking yourself. You stop asking for what you deserve. You allow things you shouldn't tolerate. And slowly, you forget who you were before you started bending to keep someone else comfortable. Today, I want to give you 7 psychological ways to rebuild that lost self, and every one of them is simple, powerful, and uncomfortable enough to wake people up around you. The first way is stopping the habit of apologizing for existing. You say sorry for things that don't need an apology. Someone bumps into you. You say sorry. You express your opinion. You say sorry. People with zero self-respect over-apologize because they're afraid of being disliked. But the moment you replace sorry with excuse me or thank you for understanding, everything shifts. People start seeing you as someone who values themselves. Second, stop explaining your decisions to people who haven't earned that access. Not everyone deserves a PowerPoint presentation on why you said no. When you stop giving long justifications, weak people call you rude. Strong people call you confident. Your life isn't a public vote. The fewer explanations you give, the more respected you become. Third, respect yourself enough to walk away the first time someone disrespects you. Not after 5 fights, not after 3 warnings, the first time. People test boundaries. They want to see if you'll tolerate disrespect disguised as jokes, sarcasm, or you're too sensitive. Walking away isn't drama. It's self-respect in action. You teach people how to treat you by what you allow. Fourth, remove people who only come to you when they need something. The ones who disappear when life is good but suddenly remember your number when they're bored, lonely, or broke. These people don't love you. They use you. When you stop being available on demand, they'll call you selfish. Let them. A self-respecting person prioritizes their peace over temporary attention. Fifth, stop being emotionally naked with people who are emotionally cheap. Not everyone deserves to know your fears, your dreams, your struggles. When you share your deepest parts with shallow people, you give them tools to hurt you later. Protect your inner world. Share selectively. Respect grows when your energy is not free for everyone. Sixth, say no without cushioning it. Most people ruin their self-respect with soft no's. Maybe, I'll see, I'm not sure. That's how you train people to push you. A direct no is uncomfortable, but it's one of the strongest forms of self-love. Confident no's build confident lives. And seventh, stop chasing people who don't choose you. Nothing destroys self-respect faster than running after someone who keeps walking away. When someone shows you indifference, believe them. Pulling back your energy is not revenge. You will never be respected by someone who sees you chasing after their attention. But the moment you shift that attention back to yourself, everything changes. You stop trying to be chosen and start choosing yourself. Self-respect isn't built in big dramatic moments. It's built in tiny decisions. What you tolerate, how you speak, how you show up, and what you walk away from. The more you choose yourself, the more life starts aligning with what you truly deserve. If you're ready to rebuild your confidence, start with these small steps. People will notice the difference. Some will hate it, others will admire it. But most importantly, you will finally recognize yourself again. Some movement in scene.